Biomic Sciences is excited to present our current research highlighting the positive effects that Restore has on intestinal tight junction barriers in the presence of the prevalent intestinal toxin, PT-gliadin. PT-gliadin is a major molecular component of gluten, a mixture of proteins found in wheat and in wheat varieties such as spelt and kamut, as well as in barley and rye. Tight junctions act as an intelligent gate in the gut wall, keeping toxins, insoluble fibers, and inorganic materials out of the circulatory system. In our experiment, PT-gliadin and Restore were both placed on small and large intestine cell cultures in the lab. Transepithelial electrical resistance was measured across the cell membrane at 2 hours. Decreasing resistance corresponds to a degradation in intestinal tight junction function. In small intestine cells, membrane resistance decreased by a statistically significant 49% with PT-gliadin alone. However, when Restore was present along with PT-gliadin, adverse effects of gluten were not seen. In large intestine cells, membrane resistance decreased by 27% with PT-gliadin alone. However, when Restore was present along with PT-gliadin, adverse effects of gluten were not seen, and there was no statistically significant change in tight junction function in comparison to the control. In both large and small intestine cell cultures, our results also show that Restore alone produces beneficial effects on tight junction function. The following photos corroborate both the degrading effect of PT-gliadin as well as the strengthening effect of Restore on tight junction function. A is the control. B shows tight junction cells after exposure to PT-gliadin alone. C shows effect after exposure to PT-gliadin and Restore combined. And D, the effect of exposure to Restore alone. In B, the degrading effects of PT-gliadin are visually evident in the significant widening of tight junction barriers. C reveals a strengthening of tight junction function in the presence of PT-gliadin and Restore combined. D indicates the positive effect of Restore alone in strengthening tight junction barriers. The public health implications of our findings may be profound, as tight junction integrity in the intestinal tract can have an impact on the immune system and overall health, supporting optimal well-being.